and Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel. It's a place where you find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, I bring to you this pot of life. What's in this pot of life? You are gonna see it. So, let's go right into it. Let's go. Here are my ingredients. The star ingredient happens to be garden egg. I have onions, bell peppers. What do I have? Pomo. I just boiled this pomo. Then, of course, Titus fish to make this really delicious. I'm gonna be building flavors in this pot of life. What are we gonna call it? Just keep watching. So you want to start by chopping your onions. I use a food processor to chop it to this bits that I like. And to my pan, I brought in oil, not a lot of oil, just a little, because I want the flavors in these onions to pop. So while that is going on, I quickly toss my bell peppers in the same food processor and chopped them into tiny bits. On the Beauty Food Chick, we share healthy eating recipes and tips so that you can cook healthy meals, make smarter eating choices, and learn about food nutrition. That's what the Beauty Food Chick is all about. Now bring your chopped bell peppers into your onions and allow that to kind of cook for like 5 minutes while I am boiling my yam. I come over to chop my star of the pot of life, eggplant, garden egg. And immediately I use the same food processor to chop them into tiny bits like so. Bring it into the mix of the onions and bell peppers. We are building flavors, guys. We're building flavors. Stay with me. We're getting somewhere. Remember to stir this so that it mixes properly and then it doesn't burn. All of this is done on low heat. I repeat, on low heat. And then bring in your boiled pomo. I boiled this pomo in salt, water, and pepper so that it has its own flavor and not bland. Now, those chopped eggplants, I bring into hot water and boil that for about 5 minutes. Then cleared up my sauce that I had started to make room for our fish. We're using Titus fish, mackerel, and on low heat. Do not forget, on low heat. So on the Beauty Food Chick, I show you simple ways to improve your health. My yam is ready. And I also show you simple ways to prepare more meals at home. So to my garden egg that I chopped, I add salt so that it is not bland. And then the pomo liquid I bring into my pan, and it is cooking so good. I add salt, allow that to simmer for like a minute. If you're still here, thank you so much. I added black pepper. On this pot of life, I just get you into the habit of eating healthy. So bring in your boiled chopped eggplant introduce it into the mix. Now, because we have this fish that is tender, you do not want to shake and turn anyhow. No. Be gentle and be careful. Just find room for it in your pan. Bring in your garden egg water. It should look like so. Allow this to boil All of this at this point is on medium heat. We started cooking on low heat. We are continuing this process on medium heat. Remember, no stirring, no turning, just turn your pot left and right. For my seasoning today, I choose to use Maggi cubes, and we'll be using just one Maggi cube. Here I am just showing you on my channel a few easy tips and tricks to having the most delicious, healthy meals. And to my pan, I added just a little bit of cornstarch so that there's kind of a gooey slurry that is going on. Quick and easy is the trick to any delicious recipe out there. Quick and easy. Do not forget that. Like I said, I show you the simplest ways to improve your health. And what's that? For me, the simplest ways to improve your health is to prepare more meals at home. That is what my channel is all about. I will be garnishing this pot of life with basil that is growing in my garden. Oh my goodness, you should be in my kitchen right now. It smells heavenly. The aroma, the flavors combination, and oh my god, you can tell I love food, right? Do not mind me, I love good food, and I bet you do too. And if you don't, I am here. Imagine that I am holding your hands and showing you step by step how to get good food on your table. This is delicious, and we're ready to dish this out. I paired mine with yams. You can feel free to pair yours with anything. Eating healthy doesn't mean giving up your favorite recipes. No, 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 no. It's basically a few easy tips and a little bit of planning. Yes, that is what eating healthy is all about. Did you hear that? I take it again. Eating healthy doesn't mean that you have to give up your favorite recipes. Whew. How was that? My goodness. I bet you this is going to be really, really delicious. Like I said, Pot of Life recipes, most of the Pot of Life recipes are recipes I have never tried before. So we made this, we created this recipe together. Let's give it a try. So I am pairing mine with boiled yam. I think it will go well with rice, bulgur, maybe even couscous. Oh my goodness. So good. The pomo, the fish, the oh my god. The garden egg. It's so good. Honestly, guys, this is so good. So good. I need to concentrate and eat this properly. So good. No gimmicks. Let me know in the comment section what you will pair yours with. And is it a recipe you are going to give a try? Woo! Remember to like the video, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, you want to consider subscribing. This is all I have for you. Even Jimmy, my dog, is saying goodbye to you. This is all I have for you today. I hope I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye! Mwah. You won't believe I forgot to take pictures of the food. Oh my God.